has awareness.
Yeah. I just put when I run the one-way ANOVA,
Okay.
I just put both of the variables here in the dependent list. And it will appear in one table, but normally it's two tables pushed together. Because so in this case it's one table here and another table here, and they have no connection, just they put together. And here is one table and another table. But okay, so maybe we could measure another run correlation. But, okay. And so I got the information that we have only 5 minutes. Okay, last sentence, NADA run a correlation. That's a question that we are allowed to run a correlation or not. Because the gender is a nominal variable. And we mentioned that in case of correlation, we need metric variables. But I've mentioned in the last class maybe in the last week, in the first week, that the binary variables, when we have two options, male, female, old, young, or something like that, maybe these kind of variables have metric characteristics, because 1.6 in case of gender means that 60% of the respondents is female and 40 is male. So it's not totally senseless if we calculate the mean. And that's why, because of these characteristics of the binary variables, we can introduce it, use it in a metric method, like correlation. So statistically it's okay. And we can interpret that, for example, if our code number is 1, 2, and if there is a positive correlation, we can say that the higher the code number of gender, more price sensitive is the respondents. And because the higher the code number, or sorry, in this case it was negative, isn't it? It was negative, so the higher the code number of gender, the lower the price sensitiveness of the consumers.